So today's video is all about progress, real development happening live in Edo State. We are updating you, our amazing viewers, on how Edo State is changing rapidly through several ongoing and completed projects, all thanks to Governor Monday Okpebholo. Honestly, I never even knew this much work is happening right in Edo State. So I advise you don't go anywhere, just stay tuned and see for yourself. First, let's talk about grassroots development. The government has officially handed over 54 construction equipment to the 18 local government councils. This one is not small. This is about taking development straight to the people. These tools will help open rural roads, support community projects, and fast-track development in villages and wards across the state. Because development doesn't stop in cities alone.
The project, I'm not here, not there. I want to warmly welcome our special guest, the Honorable Minister, your submitted to this occasion.
Mr. Governor, I'm not surprised because immediately you were elected, some people would have gone on holiday, but you said no, the work starts immediately.
Today marks a significant step in our commitment to grassroots development in the new hope of Mr. President.
I've been watching you from far. There's no time I put on my television. You will not see Senator Monday Okpebholo doing one thing or the other.
It's a man that has the heart of love for all humanity, so that Edo State will be greater and greater and greater and greater to the greatest to the greatest.
We are here to celebrate and to let the people of Edo State know that indeed there is what is called practical governance going on in Edo.
Today, our local government can conveniently do whatever project they want to execute. The new renewal of Mr. President is taking it to the grassroots. That is the result of what we are seeing here now.
We love you, Mr. Governor, for this great work that you are doing for us. For real, you are a great man indeed. God bless you more.
And every eye is seeing that you are doing well.
Everywhere you go in Edo State is Asewaju.
Next, power and industry. This right here is a major milestone, the groundbreaking of a 100 megawatts power plant and LNG processing plant in Edo State. This right here is big. We are talking industrial growth, investor confidence, job creation, and new opportunities for the people.
Today we make another important achievement in Edo State, journey towards industrial growth, energy security, and economic transformation.
This is not just another power plant. It will be the first independent power plant to be built under the Edo State electricity law.
This project is about people. It's about creating jobs during construction and operation, building local capacity and technology skills, supporting host community development, and generating revenue and long-term value for Edo State.
This development represents a strategic investment in cleaner energy, improved gas utilization, and greater energy security.
What matters to us is the investment, not with money. We cannot behave like others.
A man of good heart, a man of excellent spirit. I drop my car for you, sir.
This project reflects our strong belief in the vision and the leadership of the Edo State government under His Excellency Senator Monday Okpebholo.
Your name will ever remain in our Guinness Book of Records.
While other states across the Federation are still organizing investor summits and drafting framework, Edo State under your watch has hit the ground running.
In line with the Renew Hope agenda of Mr. President Bola Ahmed, power is the backbone of industrialization. With this power plant, we are creating an ecosystem friendly for manufacturing, job creation, and sustainable economic growth in Edo State.
For the Okpebholo local government area, this project represents job, skills, development, infrastructure, growth, and community empowerment.
Your second tenure in office is assured.
I am happy today this is happening at my time.
Now let's also talk about something very emotional. Back in January 11th, 2026, the power complex in Ekpoma was destroyed by fire. This is a very popular market in Ekpoma. Traders lost everything. It was very heartbreaking. But guess what? The governor made a promise, and on April 4th, 2026, that promise was fulfilled. The market has been fully rebuilt and is now ready for use. Not just that, 200 million naira was approved to support affected traders to get back on their feet. And he did not stop there. He also said Oba Market is next. Fast forward to now. After an unscheduled inspection visit by the governor himself, he expressed satisfaction with the pace of work currently going on at Oba Market. From ashes to a modern market with over 450 shops almost ready for traders, this one is real transformation if you ask me. Let's also talk about healthcare. There's ongoing work at the 150-bed capacity Edo State Specialist Hospital in Udomi. And honestly, the speed and quality, very impressive. When completed, this hospital will improve healthcare delivery, support medical training for students of Ambrose Ali University, boost economic activities in the area. This is what real development looks like, right? Taking impact beyond the cities. And yes, there is also the Ramat Park Flyover, which is also in progress. Another major infrastructure project that will ease movement and improve traffic flow. I want to humbly request that if you enjoy updates like this and want us to keep bringing you real development stories from across Nigeria, support Update People TV with a cup of coffee, tea, or even breakfast. Kindly check the pinned account details in the comments. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Despite all of these visible projects, some Edo residents or Nigerians are still not impressed, while others are already saying this might be the best governor Edo State has ever had. So my people, What do you think? Is this real progress or just hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to follow us on Update People TV for more updates across Nigeria.